Today, we're out in Grant County to learn how the Columbia Basin Conservation District is helping out with water. Executive Director Christina Rebellia explained that in order to help this farm continue to water its crops, they're retiring wells and using water from the Columbia River instead.
This is an incredible project. It's been underway for 20 years. The aquifer has declined significantly to unsustainable rates, and now we're working to get those deep well irrigators onto the Columbia Basin Project with water coming from the Columbia River down through the Columbia Basin Project out here to on-farm. The entire system here is saving 5.3 billion gallons in the aquifer every year. And so for our communities who are counting on this groundwater for their sole source drinking water, it's incredible what we're able to do with the producers and partners to make this happen.
This allows us to have production of agriculture without sacrificing valuable water resources.
Doug Allen and Griffin Hansen explained that completing this project will barely affect the natural flow of the river.
The entire Columbia Basin Project is less than 3% of the volume of the Columbia River.
It's a fraction of a percent.
My name is Kirk Rathman. I am a family member of the 3 entities that have received water with this program. My dad has been waiting for this project for about 47 years. Pumping out of deep water wells is very uncertain. You could almost tell immediately that there was going to be a significant impact and a significant difference for the better. The big challenge has been the limitation of water. You have this very highly productive land, and the limitation has been the amount of water we could put on it. So once we can put additional water to this ground, and it doesn't take that much, but we can then produce a lot more produce. Now we should be able to have a full allotment of water for every acre on this farm for the entire season.
Now that sounds like sustainability.
That's right.
Believe it or not, an irrigation project like this is just one example of the services available through conservation districts. According to Conservation Director Dinah Rulo, they cover a wide variety of projects.
So it could be a small $1,000 project to a large scale, $1 million project. We kind of cover all those spaces. Just last week, I was in Coulee City teaching a bunch of kids about bees and monarchs. We got to go out there with the swift nets, just helping the kids connect the dots on why we do what we do, but then educating the landowners.
Donna, I want to nerd out with you.
Yeah, I know. I can go all day. There's so many more. Like the Conservation District gets to wear so many different hats.
I think I'm going to go home and call my conservation district. What am I missing?
We can help you. We can help you.
What am I missing?
To learn more about your local conservation district, visit us at wagrown.com.